In this video, you will learn how to insert new sheet in Microsoft Excel. Currently, you can see here I have opened a Microsoft workbook and it contains different worksheets. These are the worksheets. In this tutorial, you will learn how to insert a new worksheet in Microsoft Excel workbook. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Sometimes you are working on multiple tasks and you have to need separate sheets to enter that particular data. So in this tutorial, you will learn how to insert a new worksheet and how you can insert multiple worksheets in Microsoft Excel workbook. So let's start this tutorial. From here, you can either scroll right or left. I will scroll it here. At the end of this worksheet, you will find the option of plus sign. You can click on this option to insert a new worksheet. For example, I want to insert a worksheet and I will click on this plus button. Now you can see here a separate worksheet is inserted here. You can write anything here. Similarly, if you want to insert another worksheet, you can click on it. Again, plus sign, and another worksheet is inserted here. This one and this one. From here, you can adjust the sheet's location either right or left. So by doing so, you can easily create these sheets. In next video, we will cover how to rename these sheets and how to delete these sheets. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.